channel. So anyway, decided to go out and ride my EXC for a little bit. Weather was a little cool, but it was nice, it was clear, it was sunny, it wasn't too windy. So I figured I'd go out to some local trails and fuck about with the drone for a little bit and see if I can learn to trust it. And those of you that know me or have been following along know that a few years ago I lost a drone within like 45 seconds of ever owning it. I was down at the beach like trying to figure it out, made the thing successfully get up off the ground and hover, so it was like hovering like this, and I was thinking to myself, oh fucking hell, this is cool, I got this right. And then next thing I know, the thing just upped and fucked off, and I never saw the cunt ever again. So it's taken me a little while to get my confidence back in trying flying a drone without losing the fucking cunt. So anyway, took it out today, out into the trails. Didn't really get anything great, but I had a damn good time riding the motorcycle, enjoying some great fucking scenery, and screwing around like a kid with the drone. So check it out, see what I got. Here you go. Oh, come on, you cunt. You're supposed to be fucking following me. For fuck's sake. Trees coming, this will probably fuck the stupid thing up. Well, fuck my old boots, he made it through. the drone I'm using is a DJI Mini Pro 4, and I got the one with the built-in screen in the remote control. Thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, click on the subscribe button, and that way you won't miss out on any of the fun in the future. Cheers.